The Mi Band series by Xiaomi is one of the most popular fitness trackers, offering the right amount of features at an affordable price. Now in its 9th generation, the Mi Band 9 builds on the success of its predecessors with better battery life, a brighter screen, and more accurate health monitoring features. In this video, I'll dive deep into the new features and let you know if the Mi Band 9 is still the undisputed champion of budget fitness trackers. First, it's essential to distinguish between a fitness band and a smartwatch. Both smartwatches and fitness bands can help you stay connected, track your daily activities, and monitor your progress towards fitness goals. However, there are key differences between the two devices. Generally speaking, fitness bands are more focused on health and activity monitoring rather than having smart features like being able to install apps or make calls. That's why they typically have smaller screens. That said, the difference between the two is getting smaller every day because smart bands like the Mi Band series continue to add more advanced features. The biggest difference, however, is usually the price. Most fitness bands cost less than $100, whereas advanced smartwatches can cost up to $1,000. In terms of price, you can pick up the Mi Band 9 for around $40 to $50 in most markets and around 6,000 Kenya shillings in Kenya. At this price range, the Mi Band 9 undercuts popular fitness trackers from brands like Samsung and Fitbit, making it one of the most affordable smart bands from a reputable tech company. Inside the box, you'll find the Mi Band 9, a dedicated magnetic charging cable for quick and convenient recharging, and a user manual to guide you through setup and features. In terms of design, the Mi Band 9 retains the same pill-shaped body as its predecessors with an upgraded aluminum alloy frame that now has a matte finish. The Mi Band 9 is available in 5 colors, that is black, silver, blue, grey, and rose. I opted for the Titan grey band with a matching set of straps. One of the biggest improvements in the Mi Band 9 is the brighter display, which pumps out 1200 nits of brightness compared to 600 nits from the previous version. This upgrade is particularly useful for outdoor activities where direct sunlight would normally make it difficult to see the screen. The display is 1.62 inches and uses an AMOLED panel with a 60Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals. The Mi Band 9 screen is a joy to look at thanks to the AMOLED panel, which makes everything pop with rich colors. The Mi Band 9 has a straightforward user interface, making it easy for anyone to use the device. Swiping left and right allows you to access quick options like Do Not Disturb and your main widgets. Swiping up brings up the main menu, while swiping down brings up your notifications. The device comes with several built-in watch faces that can be changed based on preference. Xiaomi has done a great job at creating some good-looking faces that collate all your data into one screen. Watch faces can be changed by holding the main watch face and swiping up and down to choose the preferred one. Additional watch faces can also be added through the My Fitness app. In terms of features, the Mi Band 9 excels with its upgraded health and fitness monitoring capabilities. The band supports advanced heart rate and blood oxygen saturation monitoring, providing accurate and reliable data throughout the day. Xiaomi claims that the heart rate accuracy is now 16% better than the previous Mi Band. The sleep monitoring feature has also been enhanced, offering comprehensive insights into your sleep patterns. Additional health features in the Mi Band 9 include all-day stress level monitoring, breath training, and women's menstrual cycle tracking. These insights can be accessed through the Mi Fitness app, which provides detailed reports of your health data. For fitness enthusiasts, the Mi Band 9 offers over 150 workout modes, including popular activities like running, walking, cycling, and swimming. The Mi Band 9 also offers workout modes for less common activities like board games, combat sports, and recreational sports. The Mi Band 9 provides useful information specific to each activity, tracking key metrics like steps, time, calories burned, and heart rate. In addition to fitness tracking, the Mi Band 9 offers a variety of smart features that make it a useful daily companion. These include Bluetooth music controls, weather updates, a calendar, alarm, flashlight, and a Find My Phone function. In terms of battery life, The device houses a 233 mAh battery, up from the 190 mAh in the previous band. According to Xiaomi, this device is good for up to 21 days under normal use. In my real-world testing, I found these claims to be a bit optimistic, getting around 2.5 weeks of battery life. In conclusion, I think that the Xiaomi Mi Band 9 is a compelling choice for anyone who's looking for a fitness tracker that combines style, functionality, and advanced health monitoring features at an affordable price. If you have any questions or want to know more about the Mi Band 9, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.